everyone, my name is Tima and I am back with a new video, and today I'm going to be using this product that I got from Absorver, and it is their Buriti Oil Deep Conditioner. For anyone that's looking to revive an old wig that they've had for weeks or for months, like myself, definitely look into this product because, and also this video of course, but I'm going to be showing you how I revive my wigs while using this process. Alright, and also I just wanted to say that this is not the same thing as a regular deep conditioner or deep conditioning treatment. This is made specifically for wigs only. Obviously the hair on a wig is already dead, it's already cut from the hair root, so this is going to give each hair follicle a nice film of protection just so that you're able to keep your wigs for a longer period of time. I'm just showing you my wig wash hair care routine because it's needed, you guys, especially if you want to keep your human hair wigs that you've paid maybe $300 to $500 for in the past and you're trying to, you know, expand the longevity of it. This will definitely help you out. Now, I wanted to let you guys know that this product is strictly used for wigs only. Basically, it's helping each follicle to have a protective film over it because it's pretty much dead hair once it gets onto a wig. It's cut from the scalp, it's not growing from anything, it's not getting any nutrients, so you're going to need something to protect it and keep it for a longer period of time. And once you have a wig for maybe over a few weeks or so, you start to see it getting more stiff and it's not as flowy as it used to be. This will definitely help you out. So I'm going to start off with my curls shampoo. Now, I usually wash my wigs probably, I would say realistically, once a month, but if I'm wearing the wig a lot, like every day or so, I will wash it every 2 weeks just because, yeah, it needs a good cleaning. But I usually focus on the lace frontal first because it has the most gunk from the Got to Be Glued free spray, the Got to Be Glued gel, all that stuff just sticks to the lace. So you really need to make sure that you're getting all that product out so that your hair looks more natural the next time you want to apply that stuff and make it look natural. So I'm focusing on that. I'm really massaging the lace and making sure that all of the gunk is out. Also, I want to say that even though I don't wash my wigs all that often, it doesn't mean that I don't wash the lace every few days. You have to because the gunk is going to be stuck in there and you're going to be able to see it once you're trying to re-glue it to your head. So make sure that you're kind of consistently getting that stuff out. Now it's time for me to use the Buriti Oil Deep Conditioner, and I'm actually starting up at the top first. I don't know why I do this. I just try to make sure that I'm running my fingers through the hair and then I move downwards. You can do it the other way if that works for you best. But yeah, I'm just kind of running the conditioner down at the hair shaft and making sure that I'm separating the hair so that it gets all throughout it. I don't want to miss any spots. I'm also taking my comb here and my detangling comb, and I'm just kind of moving the comb throughout the hair. It usually gets very matted. Like this wig in particular, since it's so old to me, it has a tendency to get super matted towards the ends and also the middle of the hair, especially because I do work out with this wig also. This, I could see there was a change. I could run my comb through it, my fingers through it. It was all good to go. After letting the conditioner sit on the wig for about 5 to 10 minutes, I went in and washed it out with some lukewarm water. While I was rinsing it out, I did a comb test and it worked out. It wasn't matted. Yay.
Okay, folks, so this hair is like almost, I would say it's like 30% dry at the moment, maybe like more like 50 actually. But look at just how I can run my fingers through this. And it's just never this soft. Like since I first got the wig itself, it was soft back then, but like it just got really tough to detangle and to run my fingers through it. I'm not even done drying the hair yet.
Hey, I'm ready to film. Okay, I've had this hair for at least, 4 or 5 months now, and I wear this wig all the time. So every single time that I've had to wash it, it's never been this soft. This is how my hair felt whenever I took it out of the packs, because I did make this wig by myself. It was this soft before I put the whole thing together, and then after that, unfortunately, the hair just got kind of stiff and tangly. Like how most of my wigs do, this always ends up happening, especially when the product ends up building up. But even after I wash it with regular hair conditioner and shampoo, it has a different feeling to it and it doesn't feel as soft as you think it would. This thing right here, I'm actually kind of upset because I know in the future I'm gonna have to purchase this again. This is the only thing that's actually made my wig feel brand new, good as new, like run my fingers freaking through it. I've not been able to do this after washing this wig. And I've washed this wig at least 7 to 8 times and it's so good. Like look at how the ends are looking. Weirdly enough too, to make this wig soft, I usually have to put in my hair milk from Cream of Nature. And this is the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner, and I always have to put that in my hair right after washing it so that it stays soft. But I didn't put any of that in my hair. I just put a little bit of my hair oil, not too much because it's gonna make the hair super oily. It's kind of wavy and straight, so you don't wanna do too much. And that's literally it. This hair is so freaking soft. Yeah, so this is called the Buriti Deep Oil Conditioner. So I would consider this to be sort of a conditioner slash hair mask. It says that this is strictly for wigs or, you know, human hair. So you wouldn't normally use this on your actual hair. It says that it's recommended that you use this product at least once a week, especially if you wear your wigs very often, like myself. It would be good for you to just get all that extra product that you've used on your wigs off of it. Basically saying that once the hair making process starts, of course, this is all like dead hair. It's dead human hair, and it gets damaged during the process of making a unit like this. Just giving your wigs life, especially when I'm traveling. I don't want to have my wigs looking messed up, especially after I wash it. I want it to be nice, clean, and fresh. It's gonna make life a lot more easier if you're able to just detangle very easily. I'm gonna show you guys and put a comb through this. I feel like I just got these bundles. Like, it feels like they're freshly put on my head whenever I first got this wig, and I haven't experienced this in a very long time. By the way, this is the hair's natural wavy state, so I didn't manipulate it. I didn't put any curls into it or anything. This is just how the wig looks by itself. I wanted to show you guys how it looks without any heat to it or straightening to it and manipulation. It's just like as good as new. So it also says that it has oleic acid in here, and it's a natural source of beta carotene. Beta carotene is one of the most natural antioxidants, known for its cell renewal and anti-aging benefits. So they are going to wear and tear over time, and you need to have a good product that's really going to keep that in check, especially if you want to keep your wigs for a longer period of time. So it says it's retailing for $24.98. I'm just shocked. It's so good. I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys like my wig wash routine. All I used was the shampoo, conditioner, treatment, which was this, and also some hair oil, just a tiny bit, and I was good to go. And I have this result. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.